Well, since we launched Plan A 4 years ago, it's making a real difference. It's making a difference to our employees, it's making a difference to our customers, it's making a difference to the way we do business and a difference to our supply chains. Ecclesall Road store is one of 2 sustainable learning stores that we're going to launch every year. And the reason why we're doing these stores is because we want to try several new things in them, new technologies, new ways of working, and hopefully, if they're successful, embed them into the way we do business. Property's commitment to Plan A is delivering benefits, and that's everything from reducing our carbon emissions to using materials from sustainable sources.
We chose the site in Ecclesall Road because Ecclesall Road is a busy, cosmopolitan residential part of Sheffield. It's close to the city centre. It was a unique opportunity to acquire this site, which was trading as a car showroom and garage. Because we were demolishing the building and redeveloping the site, we felt it gave us a great opportunity to have a Plan A learning store. Plan A has been integral in terms of how the store was envisaged, how we selected the construction project team, how we designed the building, and ultimately how we've executed and built the building. The planning process went very well, and we consulted with the local community. We also incorporated sustainability features into the design of the building, which were very well received by the planners.
As a project team, we were given significant challenges around the sustainability of the building. We're aiming for a BREEAM rating of excellent. We're looking for 10% of the overall building energy needs being from low carbon sources, and we're also looking to reduce the carbon emissions of the overall development by 20%.
Some of the elements we've introduced to enhance the biodiversity on the site are green roof, living wall, bee and bird boxes, and several indigenous species in the landscaping to attract wildlife such as bees and butterflies. An important aspect of the materials in the building is to use FSC timber, and we're well on the way to achieving M&S's very first 100% certified construction building. We're also having polished concrete floors throughout the sales floor, which will minimise the need for additional floor coverings. We've put a lot of thought into how people get to and from the store. We've got an electric car charging point for electric cars, we've got cycle shelters, and we've got real-time information displayed within the store for the local buses.
We're going to recover the waste heat from our refrigeration system to heat the hot water and provide the heating for the store using heat pump technology, which will reduce our overall energy consumption as well as reducing our operational carbon by 23%. We're installing sun pipes onto the sales floor to bring daylight into the space. We're also installing an incredibly efficient lighting system, and we'll link that to the daylight, so reducing the amount of energy we use during times of high brightness. We'll collect rainwater from the site, we'll use it in the toilets for the customers and staff, we'll also use the water to irrigate the green wall. The fridges and air conditioning will use natural refrigerants which have a lower global warming potential. In the stockroom and staff areas, we're installing a natural ventilation system rather than installing mechanical cooling.
The aggregate that we removed from the existing garage for the building site, we managed to recycle 98.2% of that to go in the existing new build as the aggregate. The amount that we didn't manage to recycle, however, we managed to treat environmentally friendly off-site and obviously recycle and reuse elsewhere. We received 2 visits from the considerate constructors on this project. The first visit we received 36.5 out of 40 for the visit, which is an excellent. And the second visit we got the highest score in retail currently at 37.5. This is due to our regular liaison with the neighbours, and also we involved the Hunters Bar Primary and Infant School to site and engaged those on the building of the project. They run an eco club, we got them involved coming to site and obviously took them through the sustainable features of the building and the new M&S project. We've managed to get the eco-friendly site cabins on board, which obviously have many sustainable features of them themselves. They have occupancy sensors in the cabins for the lighters, they have pulsed water meters, they have the sensed aerated taps obviously to save water, and generally they require less human maintenance if you like. We've managed to source as many contractors as possible locally. We've actually managed to source the bigger packages, so the brickwork package on this job, the contractor from Sheffield, and the joinery package obviously for the first timber floor are from Sheffield also. So again, we endeavoured to do this to keep our carbon footprint down, and obviously M&S's.
At M&S, we recognise that good community engagement is increasingly as important as delivering the final proposition to customers. With Waits, we've introduced a number of training opportunities and apprenticeships. We're working closely with Hunters Bar, the local school, where they receive an update on site safety and careers in construction.
The school's been involved with the Marks and Spencer project from quite an early time. Initially we started by producing some artwork for the hoardings outside the building site. The children have been stimulated and motivated by all of the things that they've seen.
I think it's really fun and really interesting. I enjoy watching all the builders doing their work and I enjoy asking questions.
We're also looking to partner with Sheffield University's School of Architecture and Landscape Design. Our site hoardings have been introduced to inform customers about the Plan A features on site. We'll brief our staff fully to make sure they're aware and understand what these are so they can communicate with our customers. Above all, we want to leave a legacy to the community. We're proud to introduce our 100th Groundworks project, delivering a green urban space to the people living nearby.
This project gives us a great opportunity to innovate and try things that we wouldn't normally try.
We're bringing together lots of engineering solutions to reduce our energy and reduce our carbon impact.
It's a groundbreaking project in terms of the eco effects that they've got on the store.
For everyone involved in this project at Marks & Spencer, you can be really proud that this store is going to stand apart from all other stores that have been launched so far.
It's a store that we can all be proud of and hopefully enjoy for years to come.